Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can download Lightroom for PC. It's a relatively simple process, but first of all you can do is on your web browser you can search Lightroom or Lightroom for PC, and when you scroll down you'll see the Lightroom downloader. This is the original Lightroom website and you can simply just download this from here. So we'll press on this first, and here you can see the Lightroom downloader. Now it is giving you an option for Mac and Windows. So if you have a Mac, you can choose this. If you're running this on Windows, you'll choose this. Now the download has started and it will basically download a zip file. Now after you've downloaded it, you'll open the folder when you've downloaded it, and this is the options that you'll see. From here, you'll click on Setup. And after you've clicked on Setup, you'll click on Extract All first of all. First, you need to extract it. You can also set a destination for extracting files. You can do this directly. It will end downloads at Adobe Lightroom Downloader. If you want to place it in desktop or anywhere else, you can just simply press on Browse and browse where to find it. Now it has started to copy and extract it, and it will now do the process. Now it has successfully extracted all the files, so we will now click on Setup. Now they will redirect you and they will say that you've opened a new browser tab and you will sign in through that browser tab. Now it's been opened, so from here to continue installation, you'll press on continue. Now it has started to install and it will reach 100% right here. And after it has finished installing, you can add this to your desktop. You can open it directly from here from your downloads. When this reaches 100%, your Adobe Lightroom will be successfully installed. And from there, you can just sign into your account simply, and you'll be able to use this to your will. Now from here, you'll see this screen and you'll press on begin. Now you can just simply sign in from here. You can continue with Google, Facebook, Apple. You'll continue, add your information, complete the prompts, and your Lightroom will be successfully downloaded on your PC. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.